Hello! In this video, we will cover how to run Gigasheet Custom Enrichments. This example will use Hunter.io. Hunter is a leader in the email verification space, and when you pair their API with Gigasheet's Custom Enrichment no-code functionality, you can leverage it to verify massive address lists. Their email verifier requires an email address as an input and returns the result of the verification, indicating if this email address is deliverable or not. Additionally, it includes optional detail validations as well as a confidence score. To get started in Gigasheet, head to the Enrichments function and search Custom Enrichment. Then paste in the HTTP request from Hunter Email Verifier API docs. Your API key should have copied over, but sometimes for enrichments, you may need to manually input it where it says it's required. On the next screen, we'll insert the column variable from our Gigasheet sheet for the prompt. In this case, we highlight the email, patrick@struct.com, in the input, and then select our email column and click plus insert column reference. Gigasheet makes requests and shows a preview of Hunter Email Verifier API response. At this point, select the fields you want to be inserted into your sheet. Finally, confirm the number of requests is to your liking. And when ready, click Run to kick off the custom enrichment process. The custom enrichment will keep running, and you'll receive an email once the job has been completed. You can monitor the progress of your enrichment or cancel the job at the top of the sheet. Once completed, Gigasheet will enrich your sheet with new columns using the selected data from the Hunter Email Verifier API response. And that's it. It is easy to use custom enrichments in Gigasheet. If you have more questions, contact support@gigasheet.com. Thanks for watching.